The biggest thing, if you walk away from anything, be it the flip cameras or be it an attention-grabbing video, the biggest thing that changes over really the last 5 years hasn't been video. It hasn't been putting together something. It hasn't been creating that message. The biggest thing is how we are using video now. Video now is part of how we communicate even more. It's not something we just receive. It's something we produce. It's something we react to. It's something we show. It's something we comment on. It sparks our conversation. We learn from it. And so now it is part of how we live. I'm watching clips online. I'm watching clips from a newspaper that they are putting on their own website that then I think is neat. So I post to Facebook. Other people comment and think, isn't that great? And the newspaper that I saw it from is in New York. And the people who commented it on are in Madison, Wisconsin. And I live in DC. But I'm creating this dialogue. And what did I really do? I saw something cool and I showed it to a friend. In the business sense, it's, I have a question and I need an answer. Okay, I got that answer, now I have another question. Oh, so do you. Oh, you have a question. Oh, but I have the answer. You don't need to talk to them because I found out that same problem. And so when you create that dialogue, it's not only top down, it's across the board. Now, in just the last 30 seconds of me babbling, I really didn't mention the word video. But it's that communication factor that we're using, because now we're used to it. This is how we behave. And so we model today's behavior. The biggest thing is use your video the way we use video. I mean, we huddle around the computer and we watch somebody sing a song. Well, isn't that cute? Isn't that special? Turn it into a business sense. We have our questions. We get our answers. It's not only top down and it's not only bottom up, but it's across the board. And that's where the flip camera can come in handy, because if you give everyone that option to get their own video across, but then you're using it, you're sending it, you're using it as a training tool, you're using it as a measurement tool, using that technology. Every click is measurable. All of that comes into play. It's the technology that allows us to change. Video just happens to be what's drawing our attention. So if there's anything to take away from this, I'd say model the behavior of video, because we've already known about video. You wouldn't be here if you weren't involved in video or wanted to be. But how you use it should be the way we use it already today.